tuning in to Why Heart Sewing, Crafts, and Garden. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make over this garden bed after the cats did their business in it. Right here, I made a diagram. I'm going to be putting this little chicken wire or broadcloth wire around the whole bed because birds, everything was just poking and getting into my garden bed. Squirrels, they were planting trees or those little acorns or whatever they're called. So I'm going to use PVC pipes on the edges of them just to have it. It's going to be something like a greenhouse. It is a little bit too high, but what I'll do is I'll just cut it in half once I put it on with the wire cutters. And let's see. This wire mesh, it's a little bit really, it wants to pop back, but I have to go inch by inch and a little bit above just to get it to stay on. And it's 24 inches tall. I have to cut some of that down. This is a little view of my container garden. Some of them are on wood pallets that I got for free. And I just want to show you a little bit of what I've gotten done. I still have to cut this in half, but it looks really nice so far. I got it to where it's not snapping back. I'm cutting the wire cloth right now. I'm going to make it that 12-inch across instead of being so tall. Right now I'm just cutting the side. Okay, this is how it looks when I cut it in half. Even though it's still kind of, to me, a little bit high, but I'm trying to prevent the cats from coming back and all the other critters. So I got this wire mesh. If you looked at my other videos, I got it up under the bed and I'm going to have it on the sides of the bed. What I should have did is did this before I put the broadcloth on the bed, because I got a little string right here to hold it, because every time I cut across this broadcloth, it moves. So I should have definitely did it before I stapled it on the garden bed. Okay, these are clear shower curtain liners that I got from Dollar Tree. And what I'm doing now is on this second bed, to stop it from being a cat or any other rodents or squirrels, little happy little waste basket. I'm going to put these plastics all over this and put some bricks over it to make it not so homely for them. So I'm going to do this off camera. So stay tuned or keep watching. Okay, I got the staple gun to work. So I'm just Gonna just staple that down for now. And just put this over here and just staple that. It don't have to be perfect, but so when I want to kind of wet the soil, I'll just lift up the plastic a little bit and wet it. So for now, I'm done for now. Because the wind was really blowing bad. So there we go. So stay tuned for me to watch how I finish this little garden bed greenhouse.